Artisanette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. I'm here to give you a baking tip for today. The difference between sweet condensed milk and evaporated milk is sugar. They're both concentrated milk, which means that 60% of the water has been extracted from both of them. One has a lot of added sugar. This sweet condensed milk has 22 carbs. This evaporated milk only has 2. But this one only has milk and sugar in the ingredients. This one has added vitamin D and some other stuff that I can't even pronounce. So when I am baking, I use sweet condensed milk because it's already sweet. It's the bomb for a sweet potato pie, honey. But when I'm doing macaroni and cheese, I don't really want it sweet, so I put in evaporated milk. Use them how you like, but be aware. There's definitely a difference